exhausted mom. I am nobody special. I have my own challenges. I have days that I don't want to do a damn thing. I have days where I want to give up, but I also have a huge reason why. My reason why is my daughter. My reason why keeps me pushing to do digital marketing. My daughter keeps me pushing to become financially free. And guys, I was sick and tired of being broke. I was sick and tired of not being able to go on vacations and make memories. I was sick and tired of being stuck at home 24/7. And so what I did was I decided to try and find a way to make money online. And that happened to be digital marketing. And so I jumped in. I jumped in because it was going to allow me to be a stay-at-home mom. And now I am a stay-at-home mom. I get to continue being a stay-at-home mom. And I brought in 5 figures right off my phone. Guys, I am just like you, exhausted, tired, I don't even know, frustrated at life, but I have a huge reason why, and I know you do too. So take that reason why, comment me down below. I'm going to teach you about Selling with Confidence 2.0, and you are going to get started, and you are going to be successful, and we are going to push through this hard time together to where we can then have our dream life, okay? So comment me down below. I'd love to give you more information.